back. Thought I'd come out here again, see what's new. I know sometimes when I upload these videos, sometimes they're late, so the timelines don't work out sometimes, but it's been about 2 weeks or so. I had a 60-degree day yesterday, which is pretty nice. What's that on the trees? So, I'm just going to grab a picture. This time of year is a good time to get pictures of mold and fungus and mushrooms and things like that, because this is the weather they seem to like it. It's right before, cold spring, when you see them. Found something over here. See if I can get a picture of it. I kind of seen it. Some of the weird mushrooms that grow on the trees here. I haven't even begun to catalog any of them because I have no clue what any of them are, but there you go.